Welcome. Our topic for this video is all about authority of the Secretary of Finance to appoint local treasurer and assistant local treasurer, authority of the local chief executive over the local treasurer and assistant local treasurer, and the qualifications of local treasurer and assistant local treasurer. The reference is Book 1 of LTOM, 2nd edition, Section 5, 6, and 7. Number 1. Who can appoint the treasurer in the local government? A. The governor or mayor. B. The Secretary of Finance. C. The Secretary of the Interior and Local Government. D. The President of the Philippines. Answer, letter B. The treasurer shall be appointed by the Secretary of Finance from a list of at least 3 ranking eligible recommendees of the governor or mayor, as the case may be, subject to civil service law, rules, and regulations. Number 2, according to the Local Government Code, which of the following is true about the appointment of an assistant local treasurer? A. It is mandatory for provincial governments. B. It is optional for city and municipal governments. C. It can only be done by the local chief executive. D. It is not subject to Nepotic Appointment rules. Answer, letter B. The appointment of an assistant local treasurer shall be optional in provincial, city, and municipal level. Number 3, which of the following appointments is most likely prohibited under the Nepotic Appointment rule? A. Appointments made in favor of a relative of the appointing or recommending authority. B. Appointments made in favor of a friend of the appointing or recommending authority. C. Appointments made in favor of an acquaintance of the appointing or recommending authority. D. Appointments made in favor of a neighbor of the appointing or recommending authority. Answer, letter A. According to the Nepotic Appointment rule stated in Section 79 of the Local Government Code and Section 59 of the Administrative Code of 1987, all appointments made in favor of a relative of the appointing or recommending authority or of the chief of the bureau or office or of persons exercising immediate supervision over him, are hereby prohibited. Number 4. According to Section 470 Paragraph B of the Local Government Code, who has administrative supervision over the treasurer of an LGU? A. The Department of Interior and Local Government. B. The President. C. The Governor or Mayor. D. The Department of Budget and Management. Answer, letter C. Section 470 Paragraph B of the Local Government Code states that the treasurer shall be under the administrative supervision of the governor or mayor, as the case may be, to whom he shall report regularly on the tax collection efforts in the LGUs. Number 5. What is the definition of administrative supervision as provided under laws and regulations? A. The authority of a department or its equivalent to interfere with day-to-day activities of regulatory agencies. B. The authority of a department or its equivalent to generally oversee the operations of agencies and ensure they are managed effectively, efficiently, and economically. C. The power of a department or its equivalent to review, reverse, revise, or modify the decisions of regulatory agencies in the exercise of their regulatory or quasi-judicial functions. D. The power of a department or its equivalent to increase or add to the budget proposals of other agencies. Answer, letter B, the definition of administrative supervision as provided under Section 38 subsection 2, Chapter 7, Book 4 of Executive Order 292 or the Administrative Code of 1987 states that it is the authority of a department or its equivalent to generally oversee the operations of agencies and ensure they are managed effectively, efficiently, and economically. Number 6. Who maintains its focal role as the overseer of the operations of local Treasury offices in both administrative and technical aspects. A. The Department of Finance. B. The local executive officer. C. The Department of Interior and Local Government. D. The concerned auditor. Answer, letter A, the Department of Finance shall maintain its focal role as the overseer of the operations of local Treasury offices, both in administrative and technical aspects. Number 7, which of the following is not a required qualification for a local treasurer? A. A citizen of the Philippines. B. A resident of the LGU concerned. C. Of good moral character. D. A holder of accounting degree from a recognized college or university. Answer, letter D, a holder of an accounting degree from a recognized college or university is not a required qualification for a local treasurer. The LTOM states that a local treasurer must be a citizen of the Philippines, a resident of the LGU concerned, of good moral character, a holder of a college degree preferably in commerce, public administration, or law from a recognized college or university, a first-grade civil service eligible or its equivalent, and must have acquired experience in treasury or accounting service for a certain number of years. While accounting degree is preferred, it is not required. Number 8, what does a person with dual citizenship need to do to be appointed as local treasurer? A. They need to renounce their foreign citizenship. B. They need to take a loyalty oath to the Philippines before a competent court. C. They need to have a college degree in commerce, public administration, or law in a recognized school within the Philippines. D. They need to obtain special permission from the other country. Answer, letter A, they need to renounce their foreign citizenship. The LTOM states that a person with dual citizenship shall not be appointed in government unless he renounces his foreign citizenship pursuant to the provision of Republic Act 9225. Number 9, who has the power to institute additional competency indicators as criteria in the selection process for local treasurer? A. The Association of Local Treasurers. B. The Secretary of Finance. C. The Civil Service Commission. D. None of the above. Answer, letter B. The LTOM states that the Secretary of Finance, in the exercise of his appointing power, may institute additional competency indicators as criteria in the selection process, subject to civil service rules and regulations. Number 10, what is the minimum required experience in treasury or accounting service for a municipal treasurer? A. 1 year. B. 2 years. C. 3 years. D. 5 years. Answer, letter C, the LTOM states that a municipal treasurer must have acquired experience in treasury or accounting service for at least 3 years. For soft copy of BCLTE Reviewer, subscribe and comment your name below.